Call on you, girl, you dug me. Yeah. Many things where eyes don't see, girl. What happened the last time where I call you, get low? My name is Vinswag, Rapid Logic Gang, straight from Takwa West Side.
Call on you, girl, you dug me.
I've been doing music for about 4 years now, but professionally 3 years.
What happened the last time where I called you?
Something I've been doing from when I was a child, right from my church days. I've been singing in the choir, so it has always been part of me.
Do one for me. Anything you do, I will forgive you.
I love to act, I love to play football, but basically acting would have been another option for me if I wasn't doing music. So
you fist by Banky and Susu.
What makes me passionate about being a musician is the fact that it's something I love to do. It gives me joy to sing, and to hear people sing my song makes me very, very happy. So yeah.
Baby girl, you brought down me, yeah. I see that you dodging me.
My creating process has a whole lot, because first I think about the video or the concept of the song, the storyline. I think about the storyline. I think about if I'm performing, how will the audience react, you know. I also think about it, if you are listening it close, like straight into your ears, how would you feel? So those things help me put a good song together. Yeah.
Hey, I know you don't dog me. You showed me light while you come off of me.
The thing I don't like about being a musician is the fact that there's a whole lot of expectation, there's a whole lot of pressure, you know. So it's stressful, to be sincere. It's really, really stressful. People are expecting so much from you.
Not me and you, baby. They know it today, girl. Why you gonna
Mr. Easy, Chinata, and the Whiskey, because those are my 3 favorite musicians.
I go love you gently. Baby girl, make I touch your body. This kind of
What inspires me to write music comes from my environment, my personal experience, you know, the things I see going on around. Those things inspire me to, you know.
Hey, you dug me, oh baby girl, you dug me, you leave me, chill. You don't dug me.
Gang. Whoa, 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 oh, whoa, whoa. Oh no,
Call on you, girl, you dug me. Yeah, many things we eyes don't see. What happened the last time when I call you, girl? Low? Why you dey tell me say you no free every day? You chat online, girl. You dey don't tell me just because you know you the one for me. Anything you do, I dey forgive you. That's because I love you, my baby. Star girl, you dey control me. Pass me your love, I say I lonely. You fist by Banky and Susu, yeah, yeah. Baby girl, you don't dug me. Hey, baby girl, you don't dug me. Hey, I know you don't dug me. You show me lights while you come off of me. Every day I call on you, you come to style, make I fall for you. I swear my love no be kiss and tell, no, no. Baby girl, you brought down me, yeah, yeah. I see that you dodging me. You should know the deal that I care for you. I never leave you if you stay by me. I never leave you if you stay by me. Don't dog me, baby girl, I say make you no dog me. If you leave me, I go kick pocket. If you leave me, I go lose myself. Oh, why you dodging me? You should know the deal that I care for you. All day long I go be with you, yeah, yeah. I go be with you, yeah, yeah. Baby girl, you don't dog me. Hey, baby girl, you don't dog me. Hey, I know you don't dog me. You show me light while you come off of me. Every day I call on you. You come this time, make I fall for you. I swear my love no be kiss and tell, no, no. Baby girl, you yeah, it no be today, girl. Why you gonna act, you know they see me? na me and you, baby. Say you know it today, girl. Why you gonna act, you know they see me? Na me and you, baby. I go love you gently, baby girl, make I touch your body. This kind of love I define and steady. Please say yes, make I hold your body. I go love you gently, baby girl, make I touch your body. This kind of love I define and steady. Oh, please say yes, make I hold your body. Hey, you tag me, oh baby girl, you tag me, you leave me. You don't tag me again. You don't tag me. You don't tag me. You don't tag me. You don't tag me, and now, baby girl, you don't tag me. Hey, baby girl, you don't tag me. Hey, I bet now you don't tag me. You show me light why you come off of me. Every day I call on you, you come to style, make I fall for you. I swear my love no be kiss and tell, no. Baby girl, you bother me, yeah. I can't.
With your gang.